This is my second project, right? And I'm very grateful and blessed to be doing The First Family with my parents and my sister and the other great people in the cast. But overall, this project, when it first got pitched and when I heard about the cast, I was really, really excited, super excited actually, guys. I couldn't hide my smile talaga. As well, when Direct Ted spoke to me, I felt relief also because knowing that I get to work with such a great director on a show like this. And even the story in Mutinang Section E, the fan base is so big and they just have a lot of support from the people, and I just wanted to, get to join that opportunity.
Sobrang thankful lang po. Wala po masabi ko, thank you, Lord. Kasi parang I've been with Viva po for the past few years po, and sobrang yung mga work ko nagawa noon sa kanila, maraming po ako natutunan doon. And finally po, nabigyan po nila ako ng break. Kaya sobrang thankful lang po. Medyo close na po kami kasi po may mga pinagsamahan po kami mga workshops, and meron din po kami fight rehearsals. And during those times po, nagkakaloko-lokohan na po kami. And ayun, madali po kami naging comfortable sa isa't isa.
Ayun nga po, gaya ng sabi ni Ashton, hindi na po kami mahihirapan sa band namin lahat kasi sila lahat po tropa ko na eh. Dati pa nakakasama ko na sila Charles, sila Kurt, pero ngayon nakasama na sila lahat sa workshops, sa fight rehearsals, and dami kong mga bagong tropa.
Siyempre, binasa ko po yung libro para mas maintindihan ko po yung character at yung mga personality ni JJ. And bukod po doon, nag-acting workshops po kami para mas maging comfortable po kami sa isa't isa.
And gaano kayo ka-excited sa taping, pag-start ng taping?
Ako, kinakabahan po ako sa taping. Kinakabahan po ako. Actually, nag-memorize na nga po ako ng script eh. Pero magandang kaba naman po kasi gusto ko po ibigay yung best ko and sana po hindi ko po ma-disappoint si Derek.
The advice they gave me was more on just trust in yourself, be confident always, and really just believe in yourself talaga. That's the advice that they gave me. Ako naman, I don't really ask my parents for advice all the time. They let me try to figure things out on my own. Thus, when I make my mistakes, that's when I'll talk to them. So, yun po. Well, they're both very exciting kasi kakaiba din. Kasi yung First Family ay sitcom, it's all in the aspect of comedy. Kasi ito naman, mas may drama, mas may magkikilig, And so, it's definitely a lot different from what I'm doing. But I'm very excited to experience all of it because it's all very new to me as well. And I'll learn a lot.